Igama lam ndinguBukeka Buqwana, ndingumfama eBikizana Village. Igama le-cooperative yethu nguZakhe Youth Development. Ijeni yam iqale 2020 ngokuba nengxaki yokungafumani umsebenzi nokuhlala ekhaya ndingenzi into. I approach u-agriculture, bane-program ebizwa uba nguSiyazondla, apho bekunikeza khona imbewu and then uyozilimela kwi-backyard garden. So igadi bendiyilima, isize yakhona it was about 30 by 37 centimeters. Ndilima ispinatshi and I started supplying elalini kwisikolo esikufutshane. Then that's where I say uba I can build a business kule nto ndingaphila kuyo. My journey has been interesting. Ine-highlights ezininzi, but also ine-challenges ezinkulu. I think challenges are bigger than myself. Being a female, kunzima ungena kwi-industry that is male dominated. So i-challenge enkulu it was to get umhlaba, because ndiqale ku-backyard garden and now I needed to grow. So mandizofuna amasimi, you would understand uba ndincinci, ndingumntana entombazana, and kwi-community esiphila kuyo kukholelwa uba ngumsebenzi wamadoda lo, and my family ayikho close by. Uba utata ngabakhona yondicelela intsimi kuSibonda, yondicelela umhlaba emaduneni. So that was the challenge first. When I go there, they will give me a run around. Ndingawufumani, but eventually ndawufumana, and nalapho sendiwufumene iba nemivuka uthi sowulimile kokuhle uthengisa, and then umuntu aclaim uba intsimi yakatamkhulu lena. And then the highlights of it all is to capture the market. No, I was bendimangela uba we have so much market enkulu within our surroundings before you could even go to your retails. But the public schools around us, the community itself, issue of food security, it's very important. We live in a village where people baphila nge-social grants. The malaba ifumanayo is just at bare minimum. So to be able to supply ukudla at a cost that they could afford for me was very fulfilling. Kwi-journey yethu, I was joined by other 4 young dynamic women abayithandayo le nto endiyenzayo. So we created a cooperative called Zakhe Youth Development. And in that, we've employed 23 workers. So for us, that is the biggest highlight. It's a pride of our community. So this is a 10-hectare communal farm. So what we do here, we are cultivating vegetables, spinach, potatoes, and butternut. It's unfortunate that you visited us when it's off season, but we are also doing that project here, Indigenous Grain, with the Research Council. We have partnered with Agricultural Research Development, whereby we are planting indigenous seeds, because the hybrid seeds esisebenzisayo are the ones esibonile ukuthi it's a challenge. Not to say umhlaba wethu awulimeki, but silima the wrong varieties that are not suitable for our soil, So with this research that we are doing with the Research Council, sisebenzisa indigenous seeds, imbewu zakudala ezasebenziswa ngokhokho, imbewu that mawuyigcinile ungayilima again and again, which is something different with your hybrid seeds. So that on its own, it's a project that includes the entire community, because this is lima at the backyards zabantu balapha elalini. So in return, bona bazofumana isivuno and then keep the seeds and deposit back to Kwekwe Seed Bank.